Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics. Your Redmi is unlocked, the SIM is active, and battery is above 20% so the phone doesn't shut down mid-change. Now open settings and go straight to network and internet. This is where mobile connection options live. Once there, tap SIM cards or SIM and network, depending on MIUI version, because you need to access the specific SIM profile to change voice settings. Make sure you choose the SIM that currently uses Volte. Next, select the SIM card you want to adjust. If you have two SIMs, pick the one using data or voice. Scroll to find Enhanced 4G LTE mode or VO LTE calling. MIUI names vary, but this setting controls voice over LTE. Tap the toggle to switch it off. A confirmation may appear or the toggle will slide to show it's disabled. Once done, the phone will revert to 3G/2G voice handling when necessary, which resolves compatibility or carrier issues in many cases. After you disable VO LTE, restart the phone to ensure network stacks update and new preferences take effect. When it boots, make a test call and watch the status bar to confirm it's not using LTE for voice. Also check that mobile data still works. If the device still shows VO LTE, reset network settings in System Settings or toggle airplane mode for 30 seconds. If problems persist, contact your carrier. Some networks force VO LTE or require provisioning changes on their side.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.